Hi guys, Pita. Yes, another look. This one isn't scary though. This one is a character from a book called After. The movie is out this year. This is the book. I've read it, but I've read it on the app where it first started. Around the time it started. It's a good book. I like it. Not for everybody. You can check out the movie. It's not really the same though. They missed a lot of things. They didn't include a lot of shit. Because, I mean, it's a long ass book, so I understand. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing Tessa Young, which is one of the main characters in the story. I'm gonna be doing her makeup. And Josephine Langford, something like that. She plays her in the movie. So I'm gonna be doing how they did her makeup. If you'd like to see how I created this look, it's very natural. It's very easy to do. And yeah, if you'd like to be her for Halloween or some shit, or just do her makeup look, I don't know. Keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. Okay, since Tessa has very, like, flawless skin and just beautiful, like, she's fucking beautiful, right? And very natural makeup, I'm going to do skincare and all that shit. But if you already have flawless skin, you can literally just put on some mascara and some chapstick and you'll be done. Actually, no, you don't even need mascara. Like, you can just curl your lashes and put on some chapstick and there you go. But since my skin isn't flawless like Tessa's, or like Josephine's, I'm gonna do a skincare. I'm gonna start with the face mask. I'm using Wander Beauty's Lift Top Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. But anyways, the next thing I'm gonna do, is this soap. I think it's called Jabón de Víbora, and it's this one, right here. So, I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use this, which is my thing to clean my face. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Clearly the light is out. It's 7 now. I need to go to sleep. Okay, so I washed my face. It feels very soft. But yeah, I think you can get this like at Walmart or something. Or at this one store that's like close to where I live. And I got my face washing kit thingy-majigger. I think at literally the 99-cent store. So yeah. Just wash my face, and sometimes my face felt dry afterwards because of my skin, I guess. But I usually use Witch Hazel. There's literally a little bit left. But this is what I use when I don't wash my face and stuff, like, or when I get lazy to wash my face. I use Witch Hazel. But yeah. Why am I giving you a skincare routine? It's supposed to be a makeup tutorial, right? The last time you saw me, it was morning. Anyways, everything I showed you that I used, I would recommend. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. For my hair, this is my natural hair. I didn't do anything to it. But I guess if we want to have it like hers, you can either braid it or like curl it, I guess. I don't know. I'll show you the outfit I have. It's a dress, a green dress. It's an outfit inspiration. It's of something she wore in the movie. So I'll show you that at the end of the video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you'd like. If you'd like to follow me, my social media will be in the description and at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you in the next video.
This is the outfit. A jean jacket and a green dress. And I wore my white Converse with some black socks. So